Kat speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, how you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good. My name's Eddie. I used to work in a body shop as an auto body technician and as a painter, and
Uh huh.
now I'm jumping into marketing. So I like working with body shops. So the
Okay.
reason for this call is that I'm trying to get you more customers online. I would like to shoot a 5-minute video of your website to show you a way of increasing your targeted traffic and increasing your revenue. All
All
I
right.
need,
Can you hold on 1 second?
sure.
Thank you. Hi. Sorry about that. I was just trying to figure out what's the best place to route your phone call. I
All
was told that the best place to send you to would be to the main building,
right, well,
and you have to speak to Matt Pompey about that.
all I need is an email address to send it to and somebody to view it. And if they like it, they can get back to me. If not, there's no worries. So is it a
Okay.
possibility just
You
give
can
me
send it. You can send it to Scranton Dodge Body Shop at gmail.com.
Scranton Dodge Body Shop
At gmail.com.
at gmail.com. And can I have
All
the
right.
name? Can I have the name of who will be watching it?
It's just Cat. CAT.
CAT. All
Mm-hmm.
right. And your name
Thank you.
is. All right.
That would be my name.
Oh, you're gonna be watching it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, I hope you enjoy it. Take care. Have a
Thanks.
great
Bye.
day.